Hello student, here we discuss about acid-base salt and salts. Basics informations are given from standard 7 to 12th onward. Conceptual thinking about indicators. Acid-base indicator MCQ. I am Veena Dixit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. What do you mean by indicators? To test if a given substance is acidic or base. A special kind of substance are used. Those substances are called indicators, which will testify whether the given solution is acidic or base. Now, what is acid-base substance? Indicators. Acid-base indicators. The indicator used to identify an acid or a base are also called acid-base indicators. MCQ. An indicator is a substance that changes its color in acidic or basic medium. 1. Second, does not change its color in any solution, and third option, changes its smell in an acidic or basic medium. So I selected A, in which color change will be there, okay, and third one where changes its smell. Olfactory indicator. So olfactory indicators in which this smell is changing when the given solution is acidic or basic, that is also acid-base indicators. And some indicators in which by the change in color in acidic and basic medium, we call it acid-base indicator also. Color change as well as smell change. Now, color of natural litmus solution is red, blue, purple, green. So what will be the natural purple? Okay, so I write on C, purple. And what is which one of the following is not basic in nature? Soap solution, calamine solution, curd, baking soda. Obviously, everybody know it is curd. Curd is having chemical name is lactic acid. It is also called sour milk. Okay, sour milk is also called curd. So, what is curd? It is acidic solution. So, how impaired visual persons will understand whether the given substance is acidic or basic in nature? Olfactory indicators. So those substances with specific characteristic odor or smell in the given acidic or basic medium are called olfactory indicators. What does it mean? Means in acid they have different smell, or in base they are having specific smell. For example, in this way we can check acid and base. For example, vanilla essence. Vanilla essence extract has a characteristic pleasant smell in acidic medium, but in basic medium odorless. Onion smell in acidic medium, retain its smell in acidic medium, but loses its smell in basic medium. Clove oil also olfactory indicator. It retains its